Okay, I'm finished wiring the box, the breaker box and the power outlet to our solar generator, which is sitting here behind the door, or solar power bank, excuse me. And so I showed my friend, the electrician, all of my wiring, and he approved. I showed him once I got everything hooked up before I closed up the boxes, and he approved. So here is test number 1. Breaker, or the power source is on, so we're gonna turn the breakers on one at a time. Well, that made me nervous, I won't lie. No electrical smell yet. Okay. So I'm thinking that this is the porch light switch. So let's see if it worked. Oh, holy crap! Oh my gosh. Okay, now fan. Oh, look at it works. Oh, praise God. Wow. See if I can turn the light on at the same time. Oh, look at that. Let there be light. Holy moly. I won't say that I'm super relieved and super excited. I can do it, you can do it. Oh my goodness. I had a lot of good advice from Joel Festerly. He is an electrician friend of mine that's done some work at my house. And he was kind enough to give me some free advice. And then there's a man named Roy at Grover's Electrical Supply, and he was also extremely helpful. So I just want to say that today I got the roof on the shed and epoxied the whole platform and got this wired in. And I have another surprise, but it's not ready just yet. So things are starting to take shape. Very exciting. We'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.